Bleach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen versus Dazzling White Instant Whitening Pen. Both products I found at the Dollar Tree store, and both looked like promising options for a quick fix to my yellow teeth. But one had better results than the other. The first product I used was the Reach Whitening Pen, and then gave time for my teeth to go back to a yellow state, since in order to keep your new smile, you must keep using these types of products. The Dazzling White Pen I used second when I came across it in the local Dollar Tree store. Could this product give different results than the other one I had already used? Both product instructions are similar. Brush your teeth before use, apply a thin coat on your top and bottom teeth, then wait a minimum of 10 minutes. I prefer to use mine before hopping in the shower, so it typically is left on my teeth for up to 30 minutes, and then I can just rinse my mouth out before getting out. Beginning results were that both products create bubbles and have you salivating quite a lot, sometimes a bit too extreme. To help with salivation and to keep the product where it's meant to be, on the teeth, I recommend getting a cheap mouth guard. These ones shown are a 4-pack on Amazon for under $8, which you can find a link to these in the description box below. I have been using the mouth guard from the 5-minute whitening tray set from the Dollar Tree. If you're curious about the results of that product, you can check out my review in the video cards. As you can see from the Reach Whitening Pen results compared to the Dazzling Pen results, there is a clear winner in which product did a better job from the first use. Both products were used in the exact same directions, and clearly the ingredients of the Dazzling Pen work better. My final results from the Dazzling White Instant Whitening Pen were the best results I have ever had. I recommend that if you see both products in your store, pick up the Dazzling White Pen and let me know if you have just as good results as me. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.